Day before yesterday, I received a call to join a panel discussion on FCRA.
Kalau Saphriang Kawei ke video kepada ni ke Kren jong AC Michael, ubadiu National Coordinator jong ke United Christian Forum, ubalai thu pajba bau penpau ye ke Pyrshah ye Kawei ke thu penmi khubor ke Ri kebala tip kum ke Republic TV. Haka video kebala Saphriang u AC Michael ulai thu badang hagine kindiat sngi uyo ye ke phone call nau Arnab Goswami bani bynta haka panel discussion halor ka Foreign Contribution Regulation Act lane ka an ke bapit ngor bat sanchar ya ki jingirap nepisa ki bawan nabari ka bagajing Kren kan long lengba ka Republic TV News Channel haka baulong ba unnum lej bani bynta sya ketika panel discussion ka bolo sya khot namar ka Republic TV kamsyam la burom ya ki noi bynta haka ni ka panel discussion bat ulong ro bola dep ni kendu ya ki nong ya sai an ha ki ni khindiat sngi bla dep ki badai na ka jaj bandru Hindu bat ki badai ki nong tre mon sngewbha ki balai Kren halor ga FCRA hapo kari India bat kita barok ki lai jeng mod yu ba unnom lej chaka panel discussion kabla peniak da ka Republic TV kani ka long hadin bawla yu i ya Kawei ke video lani ka link na ka YouTube bau Arnab Goswami syam pensisya halor ka an FCRA baru khot ye ki nong yalam niam kum ki dinosaur u AC Michael ula bu jingkeli yau Arnab Goswami da ka bong ba ki dinosaur ki don arjai bat kita ki dinosaur ki de ki badon ha ka bor bat ki basensyar hapo kari India bat ki de ki tahi ki ban sajano napo kene kari.
Day before yesterday, I received a call to join a panel discussion on FCRA from Republic TV. I didn't choose to go because we find that Republic TV never respects the people who are on their panel. I also discussed with 4 other lawyers who are Hindus and handling many NGO FCRA cases in various courts in India. All of them said they do not prefer to go on Republic TV. Then I received a YouTube or a channel link of Arnab Goswami delivering a monologue, a kind of a lecture without any evidential support. He calls Christians and churches as dinosaurs. I want to ask him, also he refers to 2 dinosaurs. I wanted to know, Arnab Goswami, when you say dinosaurs, 2 dinosaurs, do you mean those 2 dinosaurs who are in power today and ruling the country? Because they are the one who is going to be extinguished. He says Christian community, due to lack of foreign fund, soon they will be, Arnab Goswami declaring that soon Christians will be extinguished because they will not be receiving any funds from the abroad. I think he is actually referring to, Arnab Goswami is referring to 2 dinosaurs, those who are in power today and ruling the country, and they are the one who is feeling that they are going to be extinguished. That's why they are using government establishments to delete those people who are not voting them. Through Supreme Court, they managed to delete 27 lakh voters in West Bengal. Now they are conducting SIRs in other states, they will do the same thing. So the fear of dinosaurs he is having and his friends in power should be having. That is number 1. Number 2, Arnab Goswami also talks about Rubio visiting Mother Teresa tomb. Now he should know how to respect dead people. Mother Teresa's missionaries are running their missionaries in 39 countries. If they are only running this in India and converting Hindus into Christianity, what are they doing in other 138 countries, mostly Christian countries? Are they converting Christian into Hindus there? If that is the job of MC missionary sisters to convert people, that also people who are about to die, and Arnab Goswami thinks that they are being converted. Does he have evidence to prove this? The third point I wish to ask Arnab Goswami is that if he has the list of those people who have been forcefully converted with their names, addresses and Aadhaar card, please come and give it to me. I will file FIRs against those pastors and Christian leaders who have forcefully converted these people. As a matter of fact, on the 1st of 2nd September 2022, then Chief Justice of India, Chandrachud, while hearing a petition on violence against Christians, had asked for such a list. He said, why are so much of violence taking place in our country against Christians? The Attorney General representing the Government of India answered, these pastors are involved in conversions, that is why they are getting beaten up. So the Chief Justice of India asked, what actions have you taken? And if you have taken, come and submit that report to me, action taken report. That was on 1st of September 2022. Today we are on 3rd of July 2026. Till today, nor Union government, neither those 8 states governments have been able to submit such a list. The fact is, it is because there are no forceful conversions taking place in this country. But there may be people who are willingly accepting Jesus Christ. They believe in Jesus Christ, they must be reading Bible and they must be singing hymns their home. But they must also be continuing to worship the faith they belong to. That cannot be questioned. If Arnab wants constitution to be stopped, then tell him to speak to his own friends who are in government. Tell them to suspend Article 25, which gives us the right to propagate our religion and faith. Then we'll see. But forceful conversions are not taking place. If Arnab has a list, tell him to go and give it to Chief Justice of India or Supreme Court. Let the hearing take place. We will come. I am one of the petitioners in that matter in Supreme Court, asking why the violence against Christians are taking place in India. Arnab Goswami, I have a fourth question for you. You are aware, and the countryman is fully aware, how you are facing a charge sheet on your TRP case. You do all these stories just to increase your TRP. But I tell you, this conversion bogey call you have made without any evidence will not fetch you any good TRP. You tell me, you are accusing of saying that we receive money, therefore we will work for them. The whole country knows how much money you are receiving in the name of advertising revenue from the central governments and almost all the state governments ruled by BJP. How are you using that money? Are you favoring them by receiving their revenue, ad revenue, and then you do positive stories for them? Is this what you are trying to tell us? Arnab Goswami, be careful. Please watch yourself first. We all know how much trouble you are into. Just to please your bosses in the power, don't try to accuse us without any evidence. In your whole lecture or monologue, you have not given a single evidence where these forceful conversions have taken place. I also wish to ask you one other fifth question, which is very important. These days, Priyank Kharge, the Home Minister of Karnataka, is doing his job so very well. He is asking for the registration number of RSS. Tell me, the whole country knows the highest amount of FCRA money is coming into a RSS. How are they receiving this money? They are not even registered. How are they receiving foreign fund? Have you ever asked them? Because we Christian organizations or other even Hindu NGOs are all registered. They have to present all the accounts and papers. But the RSS, which is the largest organization, so-called social organization, they are not presenting any books. When will you ask them? Therefore, Arnab Goswami, you re-look at your allegations We are going to challenge you in the court of law, and this will be in addition to TRP case you are facing. We will file petitions across country in every state and every court. You will have to travel to every court and say, show the evidence. Show the evidence of forceful conversions conducted by the Christian community in this country. Then we will see how to take care of you. Thank you.